Hey, 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 it is Ashton. All right, so it's video time. Just giving you an update on how everything's been going. 2 weeks ago, there was a lot of stress. Of course, life, whatever. Life stuff happens. But, 3 words, life goes on. So, the stress just really put my body in a crazy situation. Now, I mean, I've had stress before and stuff, but not like all of the events that ended up going down that, I'm a very positive person. So when stuff happens, I naturally tend to go through my emotions of being, sad or angry, for not a very long period of time, because I feel like all I'm doing is wasting that time on something that I could be doing to better my life. So, and I am a firm believer that everything happens for a reason. And, that's as bad as some people might think that sounds, but that's what I believe in. So, but the stress ended up bringing me up to 141.8, which kind of hit me at a hard spot because I haven't been in the 140 since last year at about this time, because I remember it was after Coach Summit that I did the reset, and I believe I was 141, and it ended up bringing me all the way down to 129. So yeah, that was very like, oh my gosh, what is going on? But thankfully I got to talk to my brother, him, and he told me kind of just how stress affects the body and how it's not good at all. So he said, let go of it, and I let go of it, and yeah. So I think I normally weigh myself on Sundays. I usually weigh myself every day, but I don't let anything count except for every Sundays. And I think I was at like 134 again, which that's where I've been around, but I feel amazing. I have been working my tail off because my goal is some abs. Abs. That's right. Abs. Working hard on them. But I do feel absolutely amazing. I really do. My arm's getting tired from holding the phone. I was supposed to do my workout today, and my son kept me up quite a bit last night, but I just had a lot of stuff that I had to get done. So I was going to wait to do my workout, and plus, I was feeling like really nauseous in the morning, so I ended up eating, which made it feel better. So I think my metabolism at night was going crazy. And, but yeah, so I ended up going for a jog with my son, and it was really funny because he was like, go faster. And then I have Fit Club tonight, so I knew that even if I didn't get my workout in, that I'll be working out tonight. And then I get to play volleyball tonight. Yay! Our actual league starts this Monday, which is exciting because I haven't been on a team in probably, I've subbed here and there, but I actually haven't been on a team in quite some time. I believe it was before my back surgery, and before I was pregnant, so it was probably in 2009. Wow. Anyways. But life is going good. I decided that I'm not going to start the reset right now. I'm going to stick to my routine. I want to keep up with my workouts because I know that that's what my body needs. And then after Summit, I will do the reset again to reset my body. But I want to keep up with my workouts, especially with getting ready for Coach Summit. And I plan on hitting up all the trainers' workouts. That's my goal. Okay? I want to be able to not walk when I should be walking. And yep, I'm insane. All right, so I'm gonna stick to my hybrid, and I would love for any of you guys to join in if you would like. So, and you can kind of switch these around a little bit, but the main I'm using P90X, I'm using Insanity or Turbo Fighter, but so it depends on what I'm feeling like that. Combat and Brazil butt lift. The main 3 are P90X workouts. So if you don't have P90X, either get it or no. You know, for Insanity, Turbo Fighter, Combat, they're all cardio programs. So you could kind of, if you had one of those, then that would work. And then the Brazil butt lift is only a 1 day, which is the high and tight, because my butt is going to be lifted and my thighs, inner thighs, and thighs around are going to be looking good. Okay? Yes. So, you know, if you're up for it, I'd love to give you the schedule and we can run with it. I start my schedules on Sunday. I take my Saturdays off. So this is a schedule. Sunday, I do arms and shoulders with P90X. Then Monday, I will do an Insanity or a Turbo Fire. Tuesday, I do my Brazil butt lift high and tight. And then Wednesday is chest and back with P90X. Thursday is combat. And then Friday is legs and back. And then every day is this kid. Ah! Can you say hi to Beachbody?
Hi, honey.
Tell everyone that they need to work out.
Moo.
Say, don't give excuses. Really? That is definitely my son, except it wasn't loud enough. Tell him, say hi. Say work. Alright, well, anyways, I'll let you go. That's a long enough video. Evan! I love you guys, and we will see you next week. Bye! Say bye!
Bye!